Hello everyone, this is Ranjan, co-founder of Learnest. Very excited to have this session with Mr. Tarun Gill. So I welcome you all for this episode of Learnest Success Talks with Tarun Gill. So he's a leading fitness marketing expert and he has been a celebrity himself. I would call a fitness celebrity himself in India. So it's been an honor having you, Tarun, here. And we were very excited to have you when you joined with Learnest for your fitness academy.
First of all, Ranjan, I want to congratulate you for building this beautiful platform, Learnest, because I believe there are so many platforms in India now. It could be an academy, it could be Udemy, anything, right? But to me, when I think of exams or when I think of collaborating with somebody who's actually hands-on with creators like us, I think Learnest is a super platform for everybody to get onto. So I'm going to talk about more of how I got started, how I got in touch with Learnest, how I got in touch with this, and how it all happened, right? I was very sure that I wanted to have a lifestyle because I'm very, very anti-social. When I say anti-social, I'm not an extrovert. And when you're not an extrovert, you're always thinking about means and ways to kind of, socialize at your own time. I was always thinking, what can I do? Because fitness, I was a fat kid. And from being fat, I wanted to lose weight. So I'm not going to get into how I lost weight and stuff because I think that's the easiest part. But what I want to talk about for everybody who's listening to us is very simple. Number one is, it's not about being fit anymore. Fitness is a lifestyle. Everybody wants to stay fit. Everybody wants to have a healthy lifestyle. Everybody wants to eat clean. But a lot of people I get to hear, they want to make fitness as their passion, fitness as their career, fitness as their living. Now, a passion which cannot be monetized is just a hobby, right? So I was very clear that fitness is not a hobby for me. And so my courses are not about how to make a great body. That's 1 or 2 odd courses, right? But my courses are about how can you make money on social media? How can you monetize your passion? How can you turn fitness into someone that your parents can be proud of? Unfortunately, in India, if you're not an engineer or a doctor or an MBA, your parents won't take you seriously, right? They'll be like, we're wasting your time, man, right? So I used to go to people and ask them, "Yaar, aapne body kaise banaya? Sir, aap please mujhse share karenge?" So I thought, let me just capture all that on the camera. Right? Okay. Go to these bodybuilders in the ghetto areas, slum areas, and I used to talk to them with a mic and a camera with my wife. Sir, please, आप मुझे बताइए ना कैसे आपने body बनाया? Sir, please बताइए ना मुझे. They used to be like very embarrassed. कि कौन है? हमें तो कोई जानता नहीं कौन है, क्या कर रहा है ये? And trust me, Ranjan, in a span of 3 months, my channel just got amplified because it was raw content. People felt that, there's so much of information coming through us, through these people. So there were 2 things happening. One, that person who I was interviewing felt very special that, hey, I never got covered by any media channel or anyone. Somebody's taking the pain to come and talk to me, giving me that stage, right?
Sure, yeah.
And second, people felt good that people who didn't we know, we had no access to, can actually give us information, which is what we needed when it comes to fitness.
Yeah.
There were 2 things that was, so the point I'm trying to make is I was bridging the gap. The problem I had identified was that there is no credible fitness information in India. So let me talk to these trainers, bodybuilders, so-called gurujis of the world. Let them tell these boys that how the body is made. And these gurujis felt good because they thought, ki bhai, there is somebody to cover us.
Yeah, true.
And so far, we've covered about close to 300 athletes and bodybuilders till date. 300 interviews that are available.
Awesome.
Total about 1,500 videos I have on my social media. And about 300 to 400 are interview videos. And the best part is, when I was interviewing those bodybuilders, I was giving their telephone number in the description. For which, that if somebody wanted to get in touch with that person, can call them up. So what happened was people used to call them up and they used to give them online training. So that's the time when online training picked up.
Okay. Interesting.
That, oh sir, because obviously this guy is in Nagpur and the trainer is in Mumbai. So it has to be online training. And what is online training? WhatsApp or just maybe on Instagram, DM me, right? So when that picked up, I realized that, hey, I have a role to play in this. I'm helping a trainer make a living and I'm helping a person, a student, get the right credible knowledge. That was the beautiful combination, and that's how I realized that why not build an academy on this? Why not build a platform which can actually bridge this gap? And slowly, steadily, I was looking out for platforms, and thanks to you, brother, I stumbled upon Learnist, and I remember I spoke to Ranjan. I said, "Give me Ranjan, that I'm looking for this. I am looking for a platform. This is what I'm thinking of doing. What do you think?" He said, "Okay, sure, Tarun. Let me just get back to you. I'm going to get back to my team." And boom, I've seen Learnist as a platform when there was no Unacademy, when there was no Udemy. They were just making footprints into India. And I remember you were kind of making way. How do I do this? How do I do this? Right? Obviously, we learn as we move along. So when I wanted to get into this fitness industry, nobody believed me. My parents, my mother, my father, nobody believed. There's one person who believed me. Right? And I'm always taking his name everywhere. His name is Aditya Ghosh. He's the ex-chief of Indigo. He's now in the board of Oyo. So he had messaged me saying that, "Tarun, I've seen your videos. Can you just help me with some training and tips and stuff like that?" I said, "Let's do that." Right? So I started working with him and helping him. Right? So he looked at me and said, "Tarun, I think there's something's bothering you," because he's a seasoned entrepreneur. He knows what's going on in people's minds, right?
Yeah.
There's something going on in your head, right? I said, no. So I resisted, but he eventually got that out of me. I said, "Aditya, my parents have given me 3 months because I wasn't making any money. Don't do anything in 3 months. Please go back to your job, and that's it for you." And I could totally see the end of my dream. I love what I do because this was my passion, right? And passion was not being monetized back then, right? He looked at me and he wrote me a blank check.
Oh.
He said to me, "Show it to your parents and you can encash it at any amount. This is the testimony that you're going to go big. Believe in yourself. If you ever need money, this is the blank check. I believe in you."
Okay.
I believe in you. Trust me, I still have that blank check, right? And I'm never going to encash it, right? So that check gave me so much of confidence, and my father looked at it and said, "You know what? I know Tarun for so many years, I could never believe him. And this guy is his second meeting with him, and he's given me a blank check." You see, you have angels you meet, right? And somehow that changed my life. And till date, like anything new that I do, I always message him. I always, and sometimes he replies, sometimes he doesn't even reply. He's a busy guy, right? But he's always blessing us. He's always like, "You know what? Keep doing what you're doing." Because mentors know when to guide, right? They're not always there. Because otherwise you'll get dependent.
Correct.
Right? So they're always watching over you, that what is he doing? What is he doing? So that's what I always tell people. It's very important to have mentors, people who you can learn from. So I learn a lot from John, not because that I know him. If you watch his interviews also, you learn a lot. Vidyut Jambua, John Maxwell, Jim Rohn, so many people that you learn from, that I've always imbibed their learning. And I'm a learner, man. I read a lot. My thing is only very simple: acquire new skills and add value. That's all I do. That's all I do in life. Ranjan, I am not the kind of guy who go by numbers, subscribers and stuff.
Okay.
Right? I'm the kind of guy who believe in changing lives. So my everyday target is very simple. I'm going to add value to people's lives. Right? You heard of this author called John Maxwell. John Maxwell is the famous best-selling author, and he's written a book, many books. One of them is called Total Time. He said, your goal every day should be to add value. Second goal should be think of ways to add value to people's lives, right? And once you add value, you become valuable. Obviously, if you see see kids obsessed with number of likes, obsessed with number of subscribers. So they ask me, "Sir, please, there's this thing आजकल बहुत बोलते हैं लोग, please like, subscribe and share, right, and all that stuff." I said, "मैं करूँगा." What will happen? He said, "A lot of people will reach out to me." I said, "Then what will happen?" He said, "A lot of people will know me." I said, "Then what will happen?" He said, "Then I'll be in a position to do a lot more to people." I said, "You can still do that right now." Right? You can do that right now. What is stopping you? It doesn't matter if you have 10 people on your YouTube or social media platform or 1 million. Your idea remains the same. Your values remain the same. give them a very simple thing, which is like years of hard work into like next 2 minutes.
Sure.
Very simple. Now, if you do if let's say you're a gym trainer or whatever, or let's say you teach maths, right? It's a service that you do, right? Which means for you to teach maths or for you to train people, you have to go to the gym. Or if you teach maths, you have to go to their houses. The traditional way of doing things. So let's say if you charge 1,000 rupees for a gym training session, every day you have 4 clients and you make what? 4,000 a day? Correct? 4,000 a day? Correct. So which means in a month, you make about a little over 1 lakh, right?
Correct.
A little over 1 lakh, 1,20,000. But every day you have to go to that gym. Every day as a teacher, you have to go to their house. And when you go to people's houses, it's not a good feeling. Sometimes they treat you well, sometimes they don't treat you well, right? Because I've done that and I know how that is, right? I've actually gone to people's houses to train. So what can you do instead? Now think of it, now reverse it. Now all you can do is create that online platform, which means let's say use Learnist. Now this is not paid promotion or anything, guys. This is something that I truly believe in. Make 20 minutes video, each of it 10 topics. Make 10 videos on it. Simple videos like the way we are talking.
Yeah.
That becomes a course, right? Now let's say you charge 1,000 rupees per session from people, right? Now these 8 videos you can charge, let's say 1,000 rupees for these 10 videos. More value, but more time also with you. So earlier I was giving you 1,000 for 1 hour. Now I'm giving you 4 hours for 1,000 rupees, and at the pace you want to learn, right? Now what will it do to you? And put that course on Learnist or a platform for 1,000 rupees, and then go to your Facebook, because everybody has a Facebook account, everybody has an Instagram account. Go there and promote that. That's it. That this is my course on maths, and this is what I'm charging you, 1,000 rupees. First 50 customers will get 50% off, 20% off, 800 rupees, 500 rupees. Now tell me this, and you put 1,000 rupees on this, right? Correct. You sell 3 courses a day. You're not going to sell. Learnist will sell it to you because it's already there. You'll only be seeing money getting into your bank account. Facebook will ensure you get traffic on that particular page, right? Facebook will ensure. What do you have to do? You just have to take a risk of 30,000 rupees, which means 1 month, 1 client's earning is what will make your business scale. And that 30,000 will help you make you 1 lakh from 1 client. It's very simple economics, very simple. And what you have to do, those 4 hours that you were going to people's houses, you don't have to go anywhere. You can just still be here talking to your friends, do whatever, thinking of launching from maths courses to specialized courses to specialized gym training to specialized programs, everything. So what you've done is you've automated your process of learning. You all know that Learnist as a platform is, I think, one of the best in the industry right now, because there are very few platforms which can actually be taking for hand-holding you on every step. So I didn't know about this app, right? I had created many apps, but they weren't too successful because I didn't know how to manage it. But I don't have to do anything with this app. Ranjan and team does it, right? So it's everything self-explanatory. I just have to go check out that app and boom, it's done, right? Because every learning is happening online. Plus the system is so robust. All I have to do is upload the course and promote it on social media. I don't have to worry about, is the course streaming? Is the course not streaming? See, understand, you're a content creator. You're not a techie. Yeah. We're all 2 on techies, remember? They are the one who 9 on 10 on techies. So you don't have to focus on 9. You have to focus on your 9, which is creating content, creating courses. If the course doesn't, it's not working, or technologically if it's not working, then they will help you work it. They'll help you fix that issue. But focus on content, focus on your course, and focus how am I going to sell it online. Don't think I'm going to create my own app or I'm going to do this. No, man, don't have to. It's already there. Use it.
Right. So I think, Tarun, it was really awesome having you again. Thank you very much. It's been a pleasure having you, and thanks for these wonderful words. I think I'm sure whoever has watched this, watching this in the future as well, there are a lot of insights that anybody can take from this. And really thankful for sharing your insights and sharing this GAN, or as I say, it's a gold mine that you have shared today. as always, like, you've been an inspiration, and just keep doing what you're doing. And thanks for all your support and help for Learnist. And yeah, so we'll meet again, Tarun. So with that, I'll close this webinar, and thanks again. Thank you very much.
Loads of love, man. See you soon, man. All the best. All the best to all of you.